Hi everyone, I am Dipanshu Garg. Welcome you all on an Academic Catalyst. So this is Quant 100 important short tricks. Okay, so this is the trick 10, and today I will discuss some important questions. Okay, so first of all, some important announcement, and this session will help you to score 99 plus in CAT, and so the announcement is now subscribe for Iconic Cat 2021, and these are the benefits of Iconic: personal mentor, test analysis, OMATs preparation, and all benefits of Plus. And also get mentored by top graduates from top B schools. And these are the learners of CAT 2020 who score more than 99 percentile in CAT, right? And enroll now for the upcoming batches: 10th of April, Ultimate Weekend batch for CAT 2021, 12th of April, 14th of April. These are the new batches for CAT 2021. And if you want to subscribe Unacademy Plus, so apply referral code GERDLIFE for 10% discount. Weekly scholarship test on every Sunday. So if you want to join this test, so apply unlock code GERDLIFE to join this scholarship test. Okay, on every Sunday, right? And the price hike from 14th of April. So this is last 5 days, and these are the current plan are for 1 year. This is 17,500. After hike, this becomes 22,550. For 24 months, this is 21,000. After hike, 32,800. For iconic for 1 year, this is 30,000. For 2 year, 41,000. After hike, price becomes this, right? And 1 year subscription 17,500 and 2 year 21,000. If you apply this referral code GAG Live, so the 1 year subscription will be in 15,750. 24 months is 18,900. Okay, now the first one is homework question. Okay, in homework I have given this question in last session. Okay, so first of all, the solution of this question is: a person bought some caps at the rate of 60 for rupees 93. A person bought some caps. Quantity is what? 60 in rupees 93. This is given that the cost price. This is the cost price, right? Now, this is the cost price now. And sold them, and now he's selling them at the rate of 50 for rupees 93. So find the profit or loss percent. So in this type of questions, the simple trick is make the quantity same. Make the quantity same. You will get the answer easily, right? If you make the quantity same, 60 multiplied by 5 and 50 multiplied by 6, 93 multiplied by 5 and 93 multiplied by 6. So 300 articles cost price 93 into 5. 300 articles selling price 93 into 5. So the profit of 93. Now the profit percent, there is a profit of 93 on 93 into 5 into 100. So 92 to 93 cancel out. 5 said 120 times. So the profit is 20%. That's a simple question. That's a simple question. Very easy question. Okay. Right, everyone? Okay. So now the next one. Now the next one. So the trick of today, trick 10. And the trick is what? When the two articles are sold. When two articles are sold. First at X% profit, second at X% loss. Okay, if SP of both same, SP of both is same, if selling price of both is same, अगर दोनों को same price पर sale कर रहा हूँ, so in this case always a loss of X into X by 100%. So in this case, there is a loss of X into X by 100%. Always there is a loss, right? So now, if the loss is X square by 100%, right? So now, how to solve this question? Now, how to solve? Simply given that two horses were sold for rupees 2020. दोनों का सेलिंग प्राइस सेम है, ठीक है? And the first was sold at the value of X is 20% loss, and the second at, this is also the value of X, 20% profit. So in this case, profit and loss both are same and the selling price is same. SP of both is same. So I can say that there is a loss of 20 into 20 by 100%. So 10 cancel out, 2 into 2 4%. So I can directly say that the loss is 4%, right? So that's a simple question, that's a simple one. Okay, now but the problem is what, here is both the profit and loss is same, but in some questions profit and loss both are different. So how to solve that type of questions? Just like this: two horses were sold for rupees 1599 each. देखो दोनों का सेलिंग प्राइस इज सेम, सेलिंग प्राइस ऑफ बोथ इज सेम, बट फर्स्ट वाज सोल्ड एट फर्स्ट वाज सोल्ड एट 25% profit, and second was sold at 20% loss. Now this trick is not applicable here. This trick is not applicable here because both the profit and loss both are different. Profit and loss both are different. So this trick is not applicable here. So what can I do? What can I do? So now if I take CP, profit or loss, then selling price, right? If the profit is 25%, if the profit is 25%, I know the fraction of 25% is 1 by 4. They were just simple, if the profit is 25%, that means this is 1 by 4. So 1 by 4, say that CP is 4 and the profit of 1. On 4 CP, there is a profit of 1, then the selling price is what? 5. On CP of 4, there is a profit of 1, then the selling price is 5. If the loss is 20%, that means 1 by 5. If the CP is 5, then there is a loss of 1, then the selling price is 4. But given here, selling price of both is same. But this is given here, कि selling price of both is same. So make the selling price same. 5 multiplied by 4 and 4 multiplied by 5. So this whole multiplied by 4 and this whole multiplied by 5. Clear to everyone? Clear to everyone? Right. Now the overall CP, 4 into 4, 16, 25 into 5 into 5, 25. 16 plus 25, this is 41. There is a profit of 4 and loss of 5. So overall loss is what? Minus 1. And the 20 plus 20, this is 40. Right. So I can say that the loss percent is what? There is a loss of 1 on 41 into 100. So I can say that loss is around 218 by 41. This is 41. Okay. 1 second. Percent around. Okay. So this is the loss percent. Now clear? So this is the important one, right? So this method is applicable for all type of question, when CP of both is same, when SP of both is same. This method is applicable for all type of questions, right? Now the first one, assignment of the day. So this is your homework question. Everyone try to solve this question in your homework, okay? And apply this referral code if you want to subscribe Unacademy Plus. Apply this referral code. You can also search me on Unacademy. You can also search me on Unacademy just by my name, Dipanshu, okay? Just search my name, Dipanshu, and follow me on Unacademy, right? And join my free classes also. For free classes, this is the same code Garg Live, and for plus classes, this is also the same code Garg Live for plus subscription. Okay, so thank you everyone, and like and subscribe to the channel, and stay notified for the most amazing content for the MBA world. So thank you everyone. Bye bye.